Monsoon. Monsoon is the most welcoming season to have treasure moments, spending time amidst a lovely shade of green that only the rain can paint. You can see everything is coming to life around you. And your garden, your own terrace garden, is like luxury to sit back and relax. To keep your garden monsoon ready and to see your plants dancing in the shower, you have to devote some time in taking care of the existing plants and welcome some new plants. So stay tuned and know some key steps, what to do and what not to do in this rainy season. Water the plant when the soil is dry. You have to remember this thumb rule. Overwatering kills most of the plants, not underwatering. Don't miss out to check all the pots. Why am I saying this? Because most of the time I am in illusion that these hanging pots get sufficient water during the rainy days. But that is not true. Stagnant water only encourages to breed mosquitoes and other insects. So it is bad for the plant and bad for the environment. And so take care of that. When you see the water is clogged around the plant, that means your drainage hole is blocked. So make sure it's open. Remove all the drainage trays if there is any. After doing all these measures, if the water doesn't subside or the soil remains wet or soggy for a long time, I suggest shift the plant indoor for a while to protect from the rainwater. If possible, repot this plant in a well-drained, fresh, well-drained potting soil mix. Monsoon is the growing period for all the plants. It helps to come out new branches, new leaves, new shoots. That means overall growth of a plant. But keep in your mind that different plants needs different type of pruning. Such type of plants, wildly grown, needs hard pruning to make it bushy or give a beautiful shape to it. While other plants like moss rose, some flowering plants, some tender shrubs, they need soft pruning and deadening. And you should not be lazy enough to remove the weeds or to remove the dead leaves or dead growth of the plants. Here I am sharing my experience. Whenever you cut a thick stem, don't forget to spray any fungicides immediately. If you are a beginner, then start pruning only 20% of the foliage or the branches of the plant at a time. Keep doing the same after certain interval until you get your desired shape. By doing this, you may avoid the risks of killing or losing your plants. Provide support or twine the tender branch of certain plants to protect from the winds that blows fiercely sometimes in the rainy days. Protect your young plants, saplings, even succulents, if possible the adenium from the rain. Keep them indoor during this time. Heavy rain may wash away the nutrients in the soil, so it is important task soon after the summer. Apply slow release fertilizers, mostly the organic manure. It may be compost, vermicompost or cow dung, leaf compost, bone meal, micronutrients. Don't apply chemical fertilizer. Monsoon is the best time to spray the liquid fertilizer over the foliage. It is a must if the leaves turn yellow but stick to the stems. Feed your plants twice in a month, only in the morning time. Some more tips out of my experience. Don't feed them immediately after rains. Wait till the plants looks healthy and strong. Don't apply on the plants which are under stress or damaged or having any sign of root rot or stem rot. Have a close eye on worms, snails, other insects, because in this season plants are easily attacked by the insects and they damage the new shoots. Earthworms are always good for the plants because they help the aeration of the soil, so encourage them. But sometimes you need to remove the certain insects manually. Usually I have to literally pick up the small snails from the soil, though it's hard for me to deal with. During these days, the plants are very prone to fungus. So always keep fungicides and pesticides ready to hand. Apply once in a week without fail. Keep your indoor plants outside in monsoon for a while because they also love humid and rainwater a little bit. This is the best time to welcome new plants to your garden. You have lots of options. You can buy so many plants. If you are going to buy any saplings, make sure to give sufficient protection from the rain. Rainy season is the best time for propagation. Don't throw whatever cuttings you have after pruning the plant. If the cuttings are thick enough, dip into root hormone. If they are tender and soft, then without hormone, root it any medium. It may be soil, it may be sand, it may be coco peat. And also monsoon is ideal time to grow the plants from their seeds. So try it, just do it. Have fun, give a new level to your gardening skill. During monsoon, the weather gives full cooperation with plants. So report the plants which are root bounded, not all the plants, specifically which are under stress. So many information at a time. Are you confused? In short, check everything thoroughly around your garden on a regular basis, and pruning and applying fertilizer are the two important tasks definitely you have to do. As you know, pruning encourages new growth, throwing out the new shoots, while applying the nutrients or the manure accelerates the growth with sufficient nourishment. Monsoon is at your doorstep. Do you want to see her magic? Thank you for watching this video till the end.